Hi guys, have you heard of the 55-5 technique or used it before? I tried it out about 2 weeks ago and want to share my results with you. In this video, I'll break down what the 55-5 technique is and my experience with it. Let's get into it. Hi and welcome, I'm Merlin, and here on my channel I talk about the law of attraction and the techniques that if you implement into your life today will help bring out the best version of yourself. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button to trigger the algorithm and help me spread the word to as many believers as possible. I'm curious to know if any of you have used the 55-5 technique before. Drop a comment below and share your story with us. I love using different techniques to help me manifest my goals faster, and this is how I came upon this technique. What is the 55-5 technique? In this technique, you are supposed to write down the goal you are trying to manifest 55 times in the span of 5 days. So you write it down 55 times each day for 5 days. I tried it out and my goal manifested within the third day. This is what it looks like. My goal was to manifest 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel by August 21st, and I hit my goal on the 19th. While I was writing down my goal, I would also read it in my mind and visualize my account having 100 subscribers. This technique works and it's worth trying if you've found nothing else works for you. Please keep in mind that I still had to put in the work to help me manifest. What manifestations do is give you the ideas you need to take action in order to see the results. Another important thing is that I added a date by when I wanted to hit my goal. The whole technique takes anywhere from 30 to 40 minutes each day, and you'll have to be in a quiet place away from any distractions. I'm currently trying to manifest 500 subscribers onto my YouTube channel and started writing down my goal 55 times yesterday. Send me all the positive vibes and energy so we can make it happen. In order for this technique or any other technique to work, you must believe and have faith that it will happen. This is the most important piece to manifest anything. I also noticed that writing down my goal over and over again caused me to continue repeating it throughout the day. Give it a shot if you are trying to manifest anything into your life, and share your results with us in the comments below. Make sure you hit the like button if you got value out of this video, and subscribe for more growth content. I'll see you on my next video.